Have you been searching for various pants and shirt alterations information step by step in exact order, but can't find it quickly, easily, and all in one place? I've got it all for you right here, right now. Easy access, all in one place. Where is that quick and total access? I'll show you where right now. I mean, what if you could get 11 demo videos covering pants and shirt alterations so thoroughly that you could be skipping off to your sewing machine right now, armed and dangerously ready to knock off your entire wardrobe? What if you could get one fabulous video about blind hemming pants, skirts, and dresses on your very own home sewing machine? Didn't know you could do that, did you? What if you could get 2 unbelievably thorough videos about adjusting the waist gap on any and every pair of jeans you own? What if you had easy access to dress pants waist adjustments for both men and women? What if you could get easy access to jean zipper replacement, tapering pants legs, and cuffing pants legs? Wouldn't having immediate access to those demo videos be a deal maker? Then, to round out what I'm calling the Lucky 11, what if I threw in the demo video all about hemming lined and unlined curtains? And what if the price of this collection was the unbelievably low price listed in the description below? Oh, by the way, you can get single videos too. You won't believe the rock bottom prices. Go ahead, take a look and see for yourself right now how I've generously kept your budget in mind, yet provided you with everything I have to offer as regards all things pants and all things shirts. Now's the time, my friends, to revitalize your pants and shirts wardrobe to super sharp smartness. Not only that, you could take this collection and run with it in your own home-based alterations business. Where else but on this Alterations by Phyllis YouTube channel, dedicated largely to 100 plus clothing alterations videos, would you find such a sweet deal? Nowhere else, because it's only here where you can find your clothing fit problems solved, all in one place. Now go click the link in the description below and get your own Lucky 11 set right here, right now, as fast as and sooner than the music on this video concludes.